All right, picture this. You're selling your home in Houston, you've packed up the boxes, hired the movers, and then boom, you realize you have nowhere to go for a few weeks. So you end up moving all your stuff into storage, crashing at a friend's place, and then moving again later. Total nightmare, right? But hey, it doesn't have to be that way. I want to show you how you can skip the hassle, avoid the double move, and make selling your Houston home a whole lot smoother. First, timing is everything. The trick is to negotiate a leaseback with your buyer. What's that? Basically, after closing, you get to stay in your house for a set period, sometimes up to 60 days, while you finish buying your next place. It's a game changer. Second, work closely with your agent. Make sure they coordinate the closing dates on both your sale and purchase. It's their job to juggle the timing so you don't end up homeless in between. Pro tip: don't be afraid to ask for flexibility in your contract. Buyers are often willing to work with you, especially in a hot market like Houston. Third, get pre-approved for your next mortgage before you list your current home. That way, when you find the perfect new spot, you can move fast and line everything up seamlessly. Last tip: stay organized and communicate early. Whether it's your agent, your lender, or the buyers, keep everyone in the loop. A little planning goes a long way. So if you want to sell your Houston home without the double move drama, remember, leaseback, good timing, and strong communication are your best friends. You'll thank yourself later, trust me. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart home selling tips. Catch you in the next one.